The 2021 Subaru Crosstrek is built safe. Not only is it a 2021 IIHS Top Safety Pick, the hybrid model is a 2021 Top Safety Pick Plus. The 2021 Subaru Crosstrek also received the highest possible rating for front crash prevention from the IIHS. These incredible safety accolades are due in part to Subaru's standard EyeSight driver assist technology, a system designed to monitor traffic movement, optimize cruise control, and even warn you when you're swaying out of your lane. Subaru EyeSight includes blind spot detection, rear cross traffic alert, lane keep assist, high-resolution rear-view camera, pre-collision braking, and reverse automatic braking, just to name a few. In the next video, we'll explore the interior and exterior. Be sure to tune in.